Welcome to our channel Let's Eat Desi Food. Have you ever wondered about the diverse flavors of Indian cuisine? Let's delve into the culinary world of India, a land of myriad tastes and textures. Indian cuisine is a rich tapestry, woven with a history that spans thousands of years. It's a cuisine that's as diverse as its people, each dish telling a tale of different cultures, traditions, and regions. From the aromatic spices that dance in the air, to the vibrant colors that delight the eye, every element of Indian food is a feast for the senses. Here, the ingredients are not just food, they are the soul of the dish, and the cooking methods are not merely processes, they are the heartbeats of the cuisine. Over time, the influence of various cultures has only enriched this gastronomical journey, making it a truly global experience. With that brief introduction, it's time to embark on our culinary journey across the four major regions of India. Welcome to the north, the land of the mighty Himalayas and the fertile plains of Punjab. Here, the cuisine tells a tale of resilience and abundance. As we journey through the north, we find a culinary landscape dominated by wheat-based dishes, a testament to the sprawling wheat fields that are a characteristic feature of the region. Our first stop is the Punjab, where the earth yields a bounty of wheat, leading to a culture steeped in breads of all kinds. From the fluffy naan slathered with butter to the crispy paratha filled with a variety of stuffings, bread is a staple that accompanies every meal. Moving on, we encounter the rich, creamy textures that the north is famous for. With an abundance of dairy, dishes here often feature milk, yogurt, and ghee, a clarified butter that lends a distinct richness to the food. Creamy lassis, a popular yogurt-based drink, quench thirsts on hot days, while desserts like kulfi, a dense creamy ice cream, are a treat for the senses. And who could forget the influence of Mughal cooking methods? The north is the birthplace of tandoori cuisine, where food is cooked in a cylindrical clay oven known as a tandoor. The result is a smoky, charred flavor that is unmistakably North Indian. The iconic butter chicken, with its tender pieces of chicken bathed in a creamy tomato sauce, owes its origins to these traditional cooking methods. And then, there's the biryani, a fragrant rice dish cooked with a medley of spices and meat. Each grain of rice carries the aroma of the spices, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. This dish, along with samosas, a deep-fried pastry filled with spiced potatoes, peas, or meat, have found their way into the hearts of food lovers around the world. From the hearty meals of the north, let's now turn our attention to the coastal delights of the south. But remember, as we journey through India's culinary landscape, we're not just exploring food. We're uncovering a rich tapestry of history, culture, and tradition, one dish at a time. We now find ourselves in South India, where the cuisine is as varied as its topography. Venture into this southern paradise, and you'll find a rich tapestry of flavors, heavily influenced by the abundant natural resources. Rice, the staple grain, forms the cornerstone of South Indian cuisine. Be it the fluffy idlis, crispy dosas, or the comforting pongal, rice is an integral part of every meal, providing sustenance and comfort in equal measure. South India's love affair with coconut is legendary. Whether it's the creamy chutneys, aromatic curries, or the sweet payasam desserts, coconut, in its many forms, lends a distinctive taste and texture to dishes. It's not just the flesh, but even the coconut milk and oil are utilized extensively, infusing meals with a richness that is unmistakably South Indian. As we delve deeper into the region's culinary treasures, we encounter the tangy tamarind. This sour fruit is a quintessential ingredient in South Indian cooking, adding a tartness that balances the heat of the chili and the sweetness of the coconut. From the tangy sambar to the fiery rasam, tamarind's presence is felt and cherished in every mouthful. Fermented foods hold a place of honor in South Indian cuisine. The process of fermentation not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value of the food. The spongy idlis and crispy dosas, both fermented rice and lentil preparations, are testament to this. These dishes, served with a variety of chutneys and sambar, are not just breakfast staples but also beloved snack items. No discussion of South Indian food would be complete without mentioning the meals. This is a complete lunch platter, boasting a variety of dishes served on a banana leaf. It's a sensory overload of flavors, colors, and textures, a true representation of the region's culinary diversity. Having savored the tangy and spicy flavors of the south, let's head east to explore a different palate. As we move east, our food journey brings us to a region known for its love of fish and rice. The eastern region of India, a land of rivers and fertile plains, has a cuisine that is as diverse as its geography. With a bounty of fish from its rivers and rice from its fields, the culinary landscape here is lush and vibrant. In this part of India, fish is not just a food, but a symbol of life and prosperity. It's the heart of many meals, from the simplest home-cooked dishes to the most elaborate feasts. The classic makya jol, a fish curry that dances with flavors of mustard, turmeric, and chili, is a dish that exemplifies this love for fish. It's a dish that's warm, comforting, and steeped in tradition. Now, imagine pairing this hearty fish curry with a plate of freshly steamed rice. It's not just any rice, but the fragrant long-grained variety that the region is known for. To the people of the East, rice is more than just a staple. It's an integral part of their culture and identity, a grain that nourishes both body and soul. But it's not all about fish and rice in the East. This region has a sweet tooth that's legendary. And nothing satisfies this craving quite like the rosgulla, a sweet spongy ball of cottage cheese soaked in sugar syrup. It's a dessert that's as delightful to eat as it is to pronounce. And then there's the puchka, or as it's known in other parts of India, pani puri. This street food favorite is a symphony of flavors and textures, with its crispy shell, tangy tamarind water, and spicy potato filling. The cuisine of the East is also characterized by its unique cooking methods, from smoking to steaming, and the extensive use of mustard oil and poppy seeds. Each dish is a testament to the region's culinary creativity. From the sweet and savory East, we now travel to the West, our final stop on this culinary tour. Our culinary journey concludes in the vibrant region of West India. Here we find a melting pot of flavors that represent the diversity of this region. From the vegetarian-friendly cuisine of Gujarat to the seafood-rich fare of Maharashtra and the meaty indulgences of Rajasthan, West India offers a culinary feast for every palate. Gujarat, known for its sweet and tangy cuisine, is a paradise for vegetarians. The state is famous for its dokla, a fluffy, fermented snack made from rice and chickpeas. It's a delightful mix of tangy and savory flavors, steamed to perfection and often served with a drizzle of sweet and spicy chutney. But that's not all. The Gujarati thali, a platter filled with an array of dishes, is a testament to the variety and richness of this region's cuisine. Moving on to Maharashtra, we dive into the world of seafood. The coastal state is renowned for its fish curries, prawn dishes, and the famous pav bhaji. The latter is a spicy blend of mashed vegetables cooked with a medley of spices, served with a buttered bread roll. It's a street food classic that has won hearts across the country. Finally, we venture into the royal kitchens of Rajasthan. Known for its arid climate, Rajasthan's cuisine is a celebration of its hardy ingredients. The star of the show is lal mas, a fiery red meat curry that gets its color from the liberal use of red chilies. It's a robust and hearty dish that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of this desert state. Every dish, every flavor tells a story of the land, the people, and their traditions. From the sweet to the spicy, the tangy to the savory, West Indian cuisine is a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage and its affinity for good food. As we close this flavorful journey, remember that this is just a taste of the vast and diverse Indian cuisine. We've traversed the length and breadth of India, savoring its rich culinary heritage. From the robust flavors of the north, where the tandoor reigns supreme and spices are used generously, to the aromatic and lighter fare of the eastern states, where fish and rice are staples. We've tasted the heat of the south, with its tangy tamarind and fiery chilies, and finally, we've experienced the diverse culinary melting pot of the west, where sweet, sour, and spicy flavors all come together in a delightful harmony. This journey has shown us the sheer diversity of Indian cuisine. Each region, each state, even each home has its own unique take on dishes, creating a rich tapestry of flavors that is as varied as the country itself. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. With countless flavors to explore, Indian cuisine truly offers a feast for the senses. Please subscribe our channel. Until next time, keep exploring and let's eat Desi food.